Ashmita and she is Amalika. Today we are going to do an activity about properties of metals and non-metals.
So let us start. For this activity, we need a metal and a non-metal. So we took in the metal's place an iron scale and in non-metal's place a wooden stick. So anyone know how to prove that the material is a metal or not?
As if the material possesses the malleability, sonority, lustrous and ductile and having high melting point and boiling point, can be said that it is a metal. If material dull in these properties, then we can say that it is a non-metal.
Does anyone know what is meant by lustrous?
Yes, the materials which have shining surface and can be reflected by light is known as lustrous.
Yes, the iron scale is already shining with the help of light, but the wooden stick is not shining. So we can say this is lustrous and wooden stick is not lustrous.
Can you know what is meant by sonority?
Yes, the materials which will give a ringing sound is called sonority.
Yes, iron scale produce ringing sound, but wooden stick does not produce ringing sound. It only produces the sound. So we can say that iron scale possesses the sonority, but wooden stick doesn't follow the property.
In our next list property, it is malleability. By the way, what is malleability?
The materials which can be made into thin sheets is known as malleability.
Yes, this iron scale is already in the form of malleability. It is in thin, but the wooden stick is not in thin. So we can say this is malleable and this is not malleable.
What is known as ductile?
The materials which can be turned into thin wires are known as ductile.
When we heat the iron scale with high temperature, it melts slowly and can be formed into thin wires. But wooden stick doesn't made into wire. So iron scale is a property of ductile, but wooden stick is not property of ductile.
Next, we have conductivities of electricity and heat. What is conductivity of electricity and heat?
The materials which allow electricity and heat to go through them is known as good conductors of electricity, and will not allow to go through them is known as bad conductors of electricity.
Yes, this is a good conductor of electricity because it gives electric through it can. But the wooden stick will not allow the electric charge to go through it.
Finally, we proved that iron scale is a metal and wooden stick is a non-metal.
Thank you for giving me this wonderful